Hey guys, what's going on? Tahia here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a full SEO Pilot review. I'll walk you through all the features, show you a complete demo, and also reveal some exclusive bonuses that I've put together to help you get the most out of this tool. And just a quick heads up, you won't find these bonuses anywhere else. So make sure you stick around until the end of the video to see everything. Alright, so right now, I'm inside the SEO Pilot members area. As you can see, hey there, just a quick video showing you some of the results I've had from testing SEO Pilot. I connected my site on March the 18th. 12 days ago, at the start of that, my SEO score on my site was roughly about 73. It has now been pushed to 100 out of 100, which I thought was basically impossible. I'll restart the analyzer so that you can see that is live and legit. Let's give it a bit of a time. Have a bit of patience. There we go. 100 out of 100. Perfect score. Some of my posts, they were roughly sitting around the 60 to 70, low 70 ER mark for the SEO score. They all been pushed up into the 80s. I did have one somewhere that was actually 95. Here's one that's at 90. So it's great. Does everything. Optimizes your articles, titles. What I really love is in the SEO Pilot plugin of my WordPress dashboard, you can see everything it's done, all the optimizations, the old values, the new values. If there's something you don't like, you can delete it or deactivate it, which I have not had to use because everything has basically been perfect. So yeah, that's just a quick demo to show you the power of SEO Pilot. I've never had a website score 100 out of 100 for SEO score. So thanks for watching, and I highly recommend SEO Pilot. If your website is not ranking on Google, and at the same time, it's not showing up in AI search tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Perplexity, then this might be exactly what you need. Because in 2026, it's not just about ranking on Google anymore, it's also about getting visibility inside AI-generated answers. So in today's video, I'm reviewing SEO Pilot, a brand new SEO tool that claims to scan your website, find SEO problems, and fix many of them with just one click. But here's the big question. Is SEO Pilot actually worth it? Or is it just another overhyped SEO software? Stay with me, because in this review, I'll show you exactly what it does, its key features, pricing, upsells, pros and cons, and whether I think it's a smart. Buy in 2026, let's get started. If you are new here, this channel is all about honest software reviews, online marketing tools, AI tools, and ways to grow your business online. SEO Pilot is designed to help website owners improve their visibility, not only on traditional search engines like Google, but also on modern AI-powered search experiences. And that is what makes this launch interesting, because in 2026, it is no longer only about ranking on Google. People also want their websites, pages, and brands to be discoverable inside AI answers. So let's break it all down. What is SEO Pilot? Basically, in this video, we're going to go through a full demo together in just a few minutes. But before we do that, I want to quickly let you know that you'll find the link to SEO Pilot down in the description below, along with my exclusive bonus page. Now, these bonuses are not something you'll find anywhere else. I've personally created them to help you get the absolute best results with SEO Pilot. So if you decide to pick this up through my link, you'll also get access to these unique, value-packed bonuses completely free. However, these bonuses are available for a limited time and limited slots only. So I highly recommend you take action as soon as possible, because once they're gone, and you won't find them anywhere else. Plus, these bonuses are perfectly aligned with SEO Pilot and designed to complement it. So let me show you what you're getting. The first bonus is Done For You SEO Checklist. This is a complete, beginner-friendly SEO checklist that helps you optimize your website step by step from keyword research to on-page, technical, and ranking factors. Instead of guessing what to fix, you'll have a clear roadmap to improve your SEO and get better results faster. Get SEO Pilot through my link below, and you'll receive this Done For You SEO Checklist pack absolutely free. Bonus number 2, SEO Audit Template plus Kit. This bonus gives you a complete SEO audit template and toolkit that helps you analyze any website like a professional, identify issues, track performance, and improve rankings step by step. It's perfect for beginners as well as marketers who want a structured system for doing SEO audits. Get SEO Pilot through my link below, and you'll receive this SEO Audit Template Plus Kit absolutely free. Bonus number 3, Complete SEO Video Course for Beginners. This is a complete step-by-step SEO video course designed for beginners, where you'll learn everything from keyword research and on-page SEO to technical optimization and ranking strategies. It's perfect if you want to understand SEO from scratch and start getting real results. Get SEO Pilot through my link below, and you'll receive this complete SEO video course for beginners absolutely free. Bonus number 4, SEO Full Course 2026 Advanced Plus Updated. This is a complete, up-to-date SEO training that covers advanced strategies, real-world optimization techniques, and the latest trends, including AI-powered search. Perfect for those who want to go beyond basics and master SEO in 2026. Get SEO Pilot through my link below, and you'll receive this SEO Full Course 2026 Advanced Plus Updated absolutely free. Bonus number 5, all vendor bonuses when you get SEO Pilot. You'll also receive all the official vendor bonuses included with the product, designed to help you get faster results, improve your SEO performance, and maximize the power of the tool. These bonuses add extra value and give you everything you need to succeed right from the start. Get SEO Pilot through my link below, and you'll receive all vendor bonuses plus my exclusive bonuses absolutely free. Now let's quickly talk about the pricing and funnel of SEO Pilot. The front end starts at just $27, where you get the full SEO audit system and one-click fix feature for one website. There's also a pro version at $37, which I highly recommend because it unlocks multiple websites, bulk fixing, and commercial usage. Now, if you want everything unlocked, there's a VIP bundle for $247, which includes all upgrades, AI tools, keyword research, and even the agency license. Then we have some optional upgrades like the AI's EO Optimizer, Keyword Research Suite, and the AI Toolkit for GEO and AEO, which focuses on AI search visibility. And finally, there's the agency license, perfect if you want to offer SEO services to clients. Overall, it's a flexible funnel. You can start small or go all in depending on your needs. And don't forget, if you get SEO Pilot through my link below, you'll also receive all my exclusive bonuses absolutely free. So now, you can find the link right below this video description. And just to remind you, these bonuses are only available if you purchase SEO Pilot through my link, and they are available for a limited time only. So make sure you take action now. These bonuses are designed to help you get the most out of SEO Pilot, grow your business, and increase your conversions and sales. All you need to do is click the link in the description. Go to the official sales page, complete your purchase, and you'll get instant access to all my exclusive bonuses. And with that said, that's it for my SEO Pilot review. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any future reviews. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.